Hey, welcome to another video. My name is Subvencio, and in today's video we have this package from Henry. So shout out to Henry since he's sending his computer from Maryland. The problem it says facing is that the computer shuts down every 3 minutes. He took it to a local repair shop and they told him that probably the issue is with the hardware. So Henry, we got your computer and we're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna get back to you soon. But we're gonna open it up here. Okay. Here it is. Okay. So it's a MacBook Pro. It looks good. Oh, the bezel is broken. We got the bezel there that it is damaged. Well, since it's coming from TikTok and we want to give them a big thanks, if we're able to repair the computer, we're going to also replace the bezel for him. This is a really delicate problem. So let's take a look at it first. I'm going to keep you posted. If you have any computer that you would like to repair it and you want to send it to us, I will leave you the information on this video so you can reach out anytime. It's to power on this computer, okay? All right, wow. It powers on, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna test them and we're gonna open up first to inspect the computer, and hopefully internally there is no any sign of liquid or any issues. Oh, well, the computer just shut down once it unplugged the power, so that it's a little bit initial.